Welcome to the Scuba Made YouTube channel.
Okay guys, welcome back, and I'm finally driving, so I'm out of the garage, but today's video I'm going to be showing you about this little MHD thing which I said I would get. It's finally here, and I have already loaded it into the car, so the car is driving quite a bit better, which is awesome. I have just recently passed 88,888 kilometers, so I'll show a little clip of that. That was pretty fun. Just hit 8888! Let's give that another crack. Yeah, she pulls pretty good. 8, 9. Nah. Oh well, that's cool. Alright, so I've currently got traction control on, and it doesn't do much in first gear and sort of second gear because the traction control just keeps flashing. So I'll do a quick launch here in a sec. I don't launch it very hard. Here we go. Let's switch traction control on. Go ahead and turn traction control off. And it certainly I won't launch first all that hard because it just responds. I'll show you what it does in a second though. And it gets pretty happy in a second, which is exciting to drive. And I'll just show you. I'll show you what it looks like if I'm on a corner. Quick, but that was a bit of a third gear pull there. So yeah, I've flashed the MHD Stage 2 Plus kit, I think, like 98 fuel, and I've got the downpipes and the pod filters and the intercooler, and I had to take the JB4 Plus module off because that didn't really work. This has increased the boost now. So you do have I actually paid for the super license pack, I think. So it comes with like a whole bunch of settings that you can choose to view gauges and things. Yeah. We've got another traffic light here. It's pretty fun to accelerate. Here we go. Back home now, and I just wanted to point out, when I get into it pretty hard, I often get this little light and it says reduced engine fault, reduced power. Now luckily I can go into the MHD. It's super easy to plug in. You just go down here to the little OBD area and pop it in. I'll just normally push it in, maybe the other way. Yeah, there we go. Now it's in, and I can go in and check the codes. So let's go. First, you just have to go and connect to it in the Wi-Fi, and then open it up. And then I'm going to want to go to codes and then read DME codes. So it says 30 DME turbocharger air pressure too low. So I'll show you what happens if I clear codes. It goes a bit wonky all over here. But yeah, now there's no codes, and if I just wait a minute, yeah, we're back on. Alrighty, I don't know if you can hear that slight rumble from the exhaust. Now that we're connected here, I'll just show you a few of these things. What I was talking about before is monitoring the gauges. So I can just show you a screenshot of when I was driving. I took a screenshot of this. You can also graph a log, which I haven't really gotten into yet. I might just show. There's something cool with the manual. If you've got the clutch in and you rev it, ready? It does like a launch control, which you can set. It's pretty cool. I'll just turn the car off here. Get it off. I might actually put a show you how I did it. Flash, a back end map, flash an MHD map. So I'm just currently using a. I wonder if it shows you. Maybe. Yeah, you can see here that I've got the super license. I got the super license, and then I don't know if it shows you what else, but stock flash. Oh yeah, you can flash back to stock if you want, do all that. You can make the max cooling on. That thing's interesting. That just cranks your fan. I'll probably do it here. If I turn that on, I don't know if you can hear. Oh, I don't know. It just turns all your fans and everything on. But anyway, it's pretty cool. I haven't really used it in a proper scenario yet. I connect this and I can just see, you know, the boost, the coolant temp, the oil temp, throttle position. You can change all these too, like speed, you can change it to pretty much any of these that you want to see. So that's pretty cool, and you can log that, which is pretty awesome. I'll show you. I will do a little tune. So I'll go like this. This is how I did it the first time. I went in 98 RON, stage 2 plus. It says battery charger. This is only going to take 2 minutes, and I just drove it, so it should be alright. Alright, I got the ignition turned on now, and I'm just going to go back to this and show you how it works normally. And yeah, we can have a look at all this stuff. You can change the exhaust burble, all that sort of stuff, turn it off if you want. Like, there's a bunch of stuff here you can play with. It's pretty cool. I haven't looked fully into it yet, but as I keep using it, I'll probably see a bit more. And you just go right, and it does whatever it does with the car. You got to not touch anything and be pretty careful with this because it's kind of sketchy. But yeah, it'll tell you how many percent that it's done and everything, so that's cool. Everything goes a bit crazy over here and all that. But yeah, it's pretty easy. The only reason I haven't got a battery charger plugged in is because I just took it for a drive. So I went for about a 40, maybe 50-minute drive. So it should have got a good charge. Yeah, it does all this stuff. Doesn't matter as long as this thing's saying all that. The first time it took about 25 minutes. So that was a little sketchy because you're sitting here waiting for 25 minutes. You have to have a battery charger. And from what I've learned, you've got to put the battery charger at the front too. Something about, if you put it on the actual battery, something about the volts coming up, it can wreck your computers and stuff. You've got to put the charger on the front charging point, just so you know, something I learned along the way. There's more into it if you want to look up more into why. Yeah, just Google it, I guess. Alright, almost done. Nice and quick. Alrighty, we're back on. Success, turn off ignition and wait 30 seconds. So, better do what it says. It took 1 minute and 32 seconds to do that, so that's awesome. Good. Yeah, alright, I'll show you some clips of driving around while we wait. Righto, that's been about 30 seconds. Let's start her back up and see how she is. Yep, still starts just the same, all good, and no codes. So yeah, that one turbocharger air pressure. Yeah, here you can see, like, I got the combustion misfire cylinder 2, combustion misfire cylinder 2. So yeah, that was when it blew coil packs. You can tell it shakes violently, it's pretty crazy. Yeah, now from here you pretty much just monitor. I can probably just show them that way. Just get them close so you can see. Yeah, there's that crackle. And if I put the clutch in and give it a rev, yeah, so pretty cool. Yeah, I like to unplug it whenever I'm not in the car, so pop the little cover back on. It's a bit of a pain because I've got to plug this in every time, but eventually, I don't know, I wish I had one of those units up here where you could display that gauge on it. That'd be awesome. Or maybe a separate phone that could show that, because I still want to use my phone for my navigation, like Waze and Google Maps and stuff like that. So anyway, yeah, here's the 2 dead coil packs. I'd say these were originals too because they are pretty old. So anyway, any of the other 4 that I haven't just replaced could break at any time as well. So yeah, hopefully those elder coils will be here in a week or 2. Fingers crossed. Hope I haven't forgotten anything. Yeah, that's my MHD, and I'm running the Stage 2 Plus, and I recommend it. It's pretty awesome. Probably didn't have to buy the super license. I think you can buy, I don't know, maybe like the Stage 2 maps and then the gauges pack or something like that. I don't know, I just was like, super license, whatever, all good. The adapter came pretty quick from America. It only took about a week to come. I was actually super surprised when it came. I was like, oh, that's here already, crazy. I'm obviously used to buying stuff from China that takes anywhere from a week or 2 to 5 months. I literally ordered something in April and it came, what did it come in, September or something? Like, it took 5 months to come. It was crazy. Anyway, it came at least. But yeah, that's it. And I was gonna say too, the coilovers should be here soon, I'm hoping, because this thing will be much nicer to drive when the coilover's in. At the moment it rolls a bit and it does all that, and it'll probably skid easier when it's got coilovers in it too, so that'll be fun. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and stay tuned for the next video. Subscribe if you want, and leave a comment or press a like, and share it around. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks very much for watching. Bye bye.